Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. This is Boss Vision, where I share with you all everything you need to know about making candles. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you exactly how to make stickers and labels for your business using a thermal label printer. I get this question quite often on my channel in terms of my process about label printing and stickers and things of that nature. So I'm so excited to bring to you exactly what I do to get this accomplished. So definitely stay tuned for the video. And if you like videos like this, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you're going to be using my strategy, and subscribe so you don't miss out on anything else that I post. Alright, let's just jump right into it. When I want to print sample labels that offer a unique and customized effect to my packaging, I use my TINthermal label printer. The best part is that it's convenient and easy to set up. It always offers crystal clear printing. I love that the printer comes with a USB stick. That way you can just automatically add all of the software to your computer efficiently, and then you also get insight into specific instructions on how to print, and this easy to read little card is straight to the point. And it offers very quick printing, guys. Like, you know, when you use those larger ones and it takes a long period of time, this one is very effective. It's like quick, like get to the point. You got your back, they got your back. So yeah, I definitely say this is the perfect answer to my impatience as a small business owner. So I'd say you should check out the link in my description to grab yours. Okay guys, so the first step would be to log into your Canva account. If you don't have Canva by now, what are you doing? Live your life. You need Canva to enhance your business, okay? It's a completely free option here, and with that they allow you to create custom designs with your specific dimensions of your labels. So for me, I got my labels off Amazon, which I'll link down below, but these are the 3x1 address thermal stickers. They're compatible with the label printers, and they're self-adhesive, blank, completely blank, 1,000 pieces with a good price. So they're 3x1. So what we're going to do for our label is go back into Canva and change it from pixels to inches and put it in 3x1. That's just how I would like the label to be printed. Typically I just focus on what I would want that to look like. So then you just select create a new design, and as you can see, the dimensions are right here for you, and Canva has all of these beautiful templates for inspo for you, but we don't really need these templates. We can leverage them for fonts, just in terms of our label, but you don't need the color aspect of it because we're doing a full black and white inkless label, and that's the best part about Canva. So you could just put candle label, and nothing came for that, so you could just put candle. So in terms of that, typically I just like to scroll through and see if I have any inspo of a font that I'd like to use. However, you can definitely use fonts from the internet for free, or Shoreline script. So this I downloaded and uploaded to Canva. So all I did was go to dafont.com, and you can just scroll through and see if you like any of the fonts. They even put them in different categories, from fancy, foreign, techno, gothic, basic, script, which is really what I like to focus on when it comes to a candle label. So scripting would be more so the cursive, really pretty fonts. So you could find a font here that you would want. See, Shorelines for me is top tier. So for that I just select download here, and then it's downloaded. The entire file is downloaded to your computer. So you go back into Canva, then you'll go to your brand hub. So this is with the paid version. You do have to have the $10 version of Canva to get this solution, but from there you go to your brand kit, and you can just add a new font here and upload it directly from your computer. Just select add new, and from there you just open up the Shorelines document, and it is encouraged for you to just select the font that you want, the Shorelines bold. So you could just add that in when you select add new. This font here, once you select open, you have to confirm that it's you have the right to use it for intended purposes. dafont.com gives it to you free, so you're good. It's like DaFont. So then you upload it here and you refresh your screen and boom, there it is. So I love this font just for candle labels. So I'm making a strawberry shortcake candle label. So I'm just going to type that in here. And because it's inkless, I don't have to worry about purchasing several different ink cartridges when I need new labels. I could just select print, super easy. So just from here, I also like to put in my business name, a customized label that you have that is really indicative of your brand. So just from there, I use Moontime. Perfect. And just with your candle business, it's really important for that name to be much larger and very aesthetically pleasing. So that's right there. So this is the entire label, and to print, all you do is set up your thermal label printer. I always use PDF print because it's better for printing. So once you select download, you'll be able to print much better than if you go with a PNG, because that's an image. So there is our image, as you can see, and then we're just going to select print and change it from the larger printer to our TIN, and then change the size. Okay, here is how the label comes out, and now we'll just take it and apply it to our candle. Okay, I thought I'd go outside so you could see the aesthetic, but here's how the label came out. I applied this one a little crooked, but this is what the candle's gonna look like. It's so cute, like strawberry shortcake. Super cute and simple. To the point. Okay guys, that was my entire process. I definitely encourage you all to check out the thermal label printer that I use, as well as the stickers that I use, in case you don't want to go the large printer route. You know, it's cost hundreds of dollars, where you can get this one customized, cost-effective printer, and it can print all your labels, all of your stickers. You can get customized stickers for your thank you cards or some specific new rollout that you're having, and you don't have to go through the large vendors and wait months or weeks and weeks and weeks for them to ship your proof of, you know, your labels, and then they come out a little sketchy. So yeah, this will be an easier route for you to actually, you know, get your labels printed in real time. So I hope this video was helpful. This is my strategy. And if you like videos like this, and you're definitely going to love my next video, sharing with you all how to sell 36 candles in 7 days. Yes, 36 candles in 7 days. So I'm giving myself the challenge of selling 36 candles in 7 days. Okay, so you'll just walk along that journey with me of getting it out the mud, hustling. We hustle. Okay, I've been in sales for 8 years. I wrote a candle maker survival guide on how to accomplish this. If you would like to have self-guided learning, then definitely download the Candle Making Survival Guide. It'll be linked down below. If you use the code BDAY, you get 50% off. In that guide, I give you details about changing the narrative on your life, looking at things outside of the box, and getting out of your comfort zone to actually succeed. So I hope this video was helpful. Definitely give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, your week, your next hour. Just living your purpose, love life, make some great products, make some great labels, and I'll see you next time. Okay, bye.